So although the camper's not finished, we took it on a camping trip. We had it all dried in and everything works. Just had to cherry rig the wires on the inside and hook it straight up to a battery. And just recently got in some products for the camper. One's going to be my switches. And it was like this, you know, with the up and down. So what I did is I took it and I turned it all like that, so when it goes on the dash it won't take as much space up. It has all its own fuses built in, and it comes with a bunch of stickers, which probably none of them work for what I need them for, except for maybe the one with Sasquatch on it, so I could put that on the green lights for under the coach. The biggest thing I was waiting on was for this to get in. This is from my electrical source inside. Normally I use these, and you put the wire through there and you can close it like this. And you can close that down, maybe stuff a rag around it. And it does allow for some breeze to come through here when you're running the fan. But I decided I want to control where the breeze is coming from. So what I elected to use instead of that was this little gadget here, which was coming all the way from China and wasn't supposed to be here until maybe another month. It'll mount right in the side and have that rubber cap and plug an extension cord into, or not. So when it's mounted, you see where the duct tape is. That's why I got it taped up, because we have rain. So first thing I want to do is test this and make sure it's working okay. And it shouldn't. How difficult could it be to make one of those? So, and do it wrong. Ooh, that fan is nice. And we know that works. Now we can install it. I believe I'm going to keep the fan rolling too. Got one over there. This one's kind of quiet. It'll be quiet. And I believe I'll move the tripod up so you can see what we're going to do here. What I want to do is I'm going to remove that tape. Get over there. Remove that tape. And then once I remove the tape, I'll sand it down. Because I'm going to sand on it really, really good. Spray a final coat on it. If I get this done, then I'll have to hand sand around it. And of course the black stripe down here will be redone again as well. little bit more handy here. I probably should just go ahead and take that door latch off there. Get it all on, get it right here. Okay, so that will be my, got everything smooth there. I'll put that back in later. Can't find my rag, so that's what we're ragging with. Seems like every time I lay everything out, something disappears. There's something disappearing, but that's okay. It's just part of the adventure. And make sure that you got your rubber gasket cleaned off, because you don't want any dust in here or little bump or something that will cause it to leak. I did already seal this inner edge here with fiberglass resin or 2-part epoxy, so I don't have to worry about it. If it does leak, the worst thing to do is just go in there and I'll wipe it up. This should be just fine right here. And I just had the little package of screws. Alright, fine, I'll use the stainless steel one. Yeah, I probably should use my own stainless steel screws anyway, 'cause I just don't know what kind of. I was thinking about that a while ago. Maybe that's why they just kind of lost themselves. I don't know what kind of quality screws they sent. I'm sure they're weather-proof-ish. Sometimes you get down to salt water. Down by the salt water, and those weatherproof-ish things are not that good quality. Make sure that they fit in here okay. And plus these will give a lot more grip. Don't worry about ripping them out. I wouldn't think you'd rip them out anyway with the way that plug works. crank this down, remember you're not sealing a head gasket on the car. Let's get it down snug. So now we have an electrical port that just bring your extension cord up to, plug it in. And plug this in here. To move it real slow, otherwise it makes a bunch of racket like a lens cover banging about. There's your pigtail right there, and I plugged it into my surge protector. The surge protector's got big Velcro on the back, so it'll stick right there on the wall, right under the air conditioner. Well, I did have this point load, didn't I? That's the AC, so it'll be sticking right there under the AC. That's what I want to do is I'm going to take my polyurethane and take one of those, what they call like a pipette brush. It looks like a little stem with the fuzzy stuff all over it, or either just a shish kebab skewer, and I'll dip it in the polyurethane, and I'll dip it up inside the screw holes, and I'll run the screws back in, and then when it dries, all the fibers of wood will be treated, and the screw hole will be set in its shape. As long as you don't crank it down too tight, you should be good forever. And when you get done using it, you just unplug it here, cap it, and then I can choose on the inside from where I want the air vents to be, fresh air vents. I'm in the process of ordering windows. So I haven't chosen the windows yet. I thought I found some last night, but it said to accommodate 1 3/4 inches, and I don't want 1 inch worth of windows sticking out of the wall in here. No, that's going to be ridiculous. So I need to find a company that sells them made for 3/4 inch walls. Okay, that's it on the 5x10 teardrop today. And I appreciate y'all tuning in, and we'll see you on the next video. Thank you for watching.